Hi, I'm going to go over lesson number 2 of week of 11:30. If you need help, please send us an email or a text or hang out. Or if you want to sign up for office hours, also contact us the same way. For step number 1, we will be completing a puzzle video. For step 2, you will be reviewing your CR practice. And step number 3, you will be gathering evidence from an article. This week's objective is the following. You will be able to explain using evidence how sexual selection drives evolution. In the last lesson, we learned that sexual selection is a form of natural selection in which a species develops traits to attract and mate with the opposite sex. Birds of paradise have developed traits over many generations, such as sound, feather color, and dance to attract their mates. First, you will complete the ED puzzle below, click on the image, and then click on the link that appears. For the second step, you will be practicing CER. In your next lesson, you will be taking Formative Assessment 9, in which will be another CER paragraph, and you will explain how sexual selection leads to the evolution of a trait. These are do's in CER. Be clear, directly answer the question, provide enough evidence to support your claim, make sure your claim evidence and reasoning support each other. This is what you should not do. Include irrelevant evidence and directly answer the question. Forget to tie together the entire answer with the reasoning. Now this part, what you are going to do is highlight the best claim, evidence, and reasoning for each question. For example, question number 1 states, does a person's height change throughout the day? Then you will select the best claim between 1 and 2. If you think claim number 2 is the best, you will highlight claim number 2. If you think claim number 1 is the best, you will highlight claim number 1. And you will do the same for the evidence and the same for the reasoning. Continue to answer the second question in the same way. If you think claim number 1 is the best that answers this question, highlight that claim. If you think it's 2, highlight this claim. And so on and so on. Here you will check your answers in the answer key and then answer this reflection. For step 3, you will be gathering evidence. You will be reading the article below and highlight 3 pieces of evidence about the birds of paradise. After you highlight those 3 pieces of evidence, you will copy 1 in the left column and then you will write it in your own words in the right column. If you're enjoying learning about birds of paradise, this is an optional. You can watch a movie called Dancing with the Birds on Netflix. It is not necessary. I just wanted to share it with you in case you were interested in watching and learning more. Make sure that you check your work and you submit the following: the ED puzzle CR practice, gathering evidence, and highlight how much time it took you to complete this assignment. Please don't forget to click turn in on Google Classroom.